Hello everyone, welcome back to the Concrete Dash. Today we're here for event number 12, I think. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But this is definitely other event number 12. No, I'm sorry for the noises in the background, I couldn't do this at the private time, so this is what I have to do. Sour Green, Black Panthers, Cannibals, Sugar Crush, Team Galactic, Team Primary, Savage B as a host, and the electronics will be off my watch. Sugar Crush and Black Panthers leading way. Look at these top three already separating. Black Panthers challenging. And then with all but Sugar Crush will win it. They're trying to get the third and he'll get the fourth. No, the second game by a large margin. Team Primary will not advance or Team Galactic. Cannonball I don't know what happened in this event. They'll be looking over, finding out what on earth just went wrong with them. But Sugar Crush, Cannibals, they were all runs in this heat. Now, race number 2 will include Chili Cat's Eye, Red Rice, Oceans, Water Post, Dishwashers, Green Squad, Arrangers, and Blue Plastics, and we'll have Water Pucks in front. Oh, this is something. Green Squad. Guess we're supposed on this battle then. Dishwasher, right? More. Look, Water Puck. Look at this. No, oh no. Ah, there you go. No. Decided. Yep, they decided everything. Dishwasher mode events. Well, you get that, don't you now? There's all of the first heat will be advancing at this point as we head to the final. The final. Cellgates, Red Wires, Rangers, Blue Plastics, Green Score, Sugar Crush, Black Panthers, and Electronics. Who's gonna get the gold and wall? And Electronics in front. Blue Plastics and Black Panthers challenging. Blue Plastics lead the way. Electronics are not giving. Oh no. Blue Plastics. They will win the goal. Electronics is second. Cannibals third. Sugar Crush 4. Red Wires 5th. Rangers 6th. Green Score 7th. And Sour Grapes 8th. And Blue Plastics triumphant in this event. Well done to them. We will see you for the next event, the elimination race. See you for that.